If you're a marketer, there's a strong chance that you get weekly requests from your sales team for different types of sales collateral, meaning on top of your daily marketing tasks, you're also tasked with making sure your sales team has accurate and up-to-date information for different items, including product photos, technical drawings, spec sheets, user manuals, installation guides, as well as videos and 360-degree spins. And with each new product release, you must ensure that all relevant product details, including digital assets, are in the hands of your sales reps, ready to present and sell to customers. Now, this is where Salesforce's product module comes in handy, with the ability to store SKUs and price books, but it falls short of meeting all the digital asset needs of your sales team. Challenge number one with using Salesforce for digital asset storage is that it's really hard to ensure that all of your sales reps always have access to the most up-to-date digital assets. For example, if a sales rep presents a PDF to a customer that is not up to date with the latest images or specs, it can lead to confusion and mistrust. So marketers have to manually update or send over new PDFs to Salesforce, and communicating the changes to other teams is time-consuming and error-prone. Which leads us to challenge number two, maintaining consistency across all channels. Inconsistency in product information, branding, or digital assets across different sales channels can create a negative customer experience and damage your brand reputation. To avoid all this, it's crucial to have a centralized platform where all digital assets can be managed, shared, and accessed by your sales reps. And speaking of access, challenge number three is that sales members may make last-minute urgent requests for digital assets, especially if they're working remotely or in areas with poor connectivity. This can put a strain on the marketing team and slow down the sales process. A seamless and automated system for delivering digital assets to sales reps can help and overcome this challenge. And the fourth challenge is that the marketing and sales teams are not always very well connected. Having a digital asset management system that integrates with Salesforce can help bridge that gap between marketing and sales, allowing for efficient collaboration and access to the right digital assets at the right time. This is where a solution like Catsy Digital Asset Management can be a game changer. With Catsy's Salesforce integration, marketers can provide sales reps with the most up-to-date and relevant digital assets, such as product images, videos, and marketing collateral. The platform also supports multiple versions of assets for the same product, allowing for more efficient management of digital assets. In addition, Catsy's brand portal provides an external link that sales reps can use to access and share digital assets that are not supported within Salesforce. This enables marketers to share assets once and avoid last-minute requests from sales. By addressing these challenges, Catsy Digital Asset Management can help marketers ensure that their sales reps have access to the right digital assets right from within Salesforce, making it easier to close deals and drive revenue. Most importantly, Catsy drastically cuts down on the amount of time marketers have to spend on sales requests on a weekly basis, meaning you have more time to meet your marketing objectives. So click on the link below and request your customized demo of Catsy DAM.